I'm going to do this look today using Glamour Doll Eyes eyeshadows, and the three colors is Electric Lemonade, Olivia Green, and Jealousy. What I'm going to do is apply two base eyeshadow shades. First one I'm going to use Electric Lemonade, which is a lovely color, and it has shimmer in it, and these are samples. You see it's a lovely yellow. So I'm going to apply this. For most of the eye, I'm leaving about a third or fourth of it empty. And I'm actually going to apply it to the tear duct and lower lash line. And I'm blending it up to past the crease. Okay, then I'm going to take Olivia Green. You can clean the brush or use another brush if you like. This one is matte, a matte green. See, and I'm going to apply this to the outer corner, even on the yellow. Blending with the so you don't have such a harsh line. Right there, but I will take care of that later. And keep blending. In case you're wondering, this is a Coastal Scents liner slash chisel fluff brush. And I'm going to apply this to the lower lash line. Same brush. Again, if you want, you can clean it. But I'm not going to. Then I'm going to take Jealousy, which is a dark green with shimmer. Let me see it. I'm going to put it right in the outer corner. On top and bottom. And then I'm going to clean my brush. And I'm going to go into yellow and blend it into the green to blend that harsh line. Then I'm going to take greens and blend it. Okay. And for the highlight, I'm going to cover eyeshadow, which is this kind of goldish color, Bliss. And I'm going to put it as my highlight. And in the inner corner where your nose is, and right under your eyebrow, and then going to blend out that harsh line. Then I'm going to take a felt tip liner. You can use any liquid liner you like. I'm going to line top lash line. Getting as possible to the lash line. So I'm going to take a eyeliner. This is Urban Decay 24/7 liner. And I'm also going to go in tight line. And fix any gaps I might have. When I apply my false lashes. My lashes. Now I've done this look and I will show you pictures. I've done these eyeshadows and I did it a little bit differently. I didn't have these eyelashes, so I used Cashed Out glitter from Glamour Doll Eyes, which is a green glitter, and I put it on top of the liquid liner or the gel liner on the top. I'm going to leave it out because I'm using the lashes, but I will also include the pictures that I've done before with glitter on the top lash line. Okay, and that's it. I'm just going to apply my lashes, and it's going to take a very long time, so I'm not going to film it right now. Of course, there's so many lash tutorials, so I hope you like it, and stay tuned for pictures.